Keys to Learning, Chapter 10, Unit 4, page 116 in your book. Grammar 1. So in this grammar lesson, you're looking at making questions. Question words: who, what, when, where, why, how. Question words using be, to be. And we know that to be, we have is, are, am, is, are, am. To be, I am, he is, they are, we are. So is, are, am. To be. So read with me, please. Who is that boy? Who is that boy? He is my brother. He is my brother. What are their names? What are their names? Their names are Chi-Chen and Chi-Wan. Their names are Chi-Chen and Chi-Wan. When is the school dance? When is the school dance? It is on Saturday. It is on Saturday. Where is the library? Where is the library? It is next to the gym. It is next to the gym. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? I am sad because I cannot go to the dance. I am sad because I cannot go to the dance. How is your sister? How is your sister? She is fine. She is fine. So notice the box here for contractions. Who is, whose. Whose. Who is, whose. And the apostrophe shows where the I was. What is, what's. What's. And the apostrophe shows where the I was. What's. Where is, where's. Where's. How is, how's. 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 So, these are called contractions. And when we speak, we often use contractions. As you're listening to someone speaking English to you, you will likely hear them shorten the words into contractions. So read each answer and then write the question it represents in your notebook. So you're writing in your notebook. Her name is Akiko. What is her name? Her name is Akiko. She is happy because it is your birthday. That's a why question. So you could say, why is she happy? Why is she happy? She is happy because it is your birthday. The party is at her house. Where is the party? Where is the party? The party is at her house. Her friend Kelly made the cake. Who made the cake? Who made the cake? Her friend Kelly made the cake. Akiko is feeling very happy. How is Akiko feeling? How is Akiko feeling? Akiko is feeling very happy. So make sure you've written that in your notebook. Study, study. Make sure you practice saying the questions and the answers. Practice the contractions. Now the second part for Grammar 1. Information questions with be in the past tense. To ask about something in the past, use a past tense form of be. So the present tense of be is am, is, are. Am, is, are is in the present. The past tense, we have was and were. Was and were. Was, and were. Was and were. That's our past tense of to be. To ask about something in the past, use a past tense form of be. When was the party? Where were you yesterday? So your task, copy the questions. Copy the questions into your notebook. Then fill in the blanks with the correct question words and the correct form of be. How was the movie last night? It was great. You late for class. Okay, so because is your clue. See because? When you see because, the question is why. You. Is it going to be was or were? So why were you late for class? Because I had to go to the office. It was at Pat's house. That's where. Where is it? Where was the party? Where was the party? It was at Pat's house. Okay. Monday. Is that who, what, when, where, why, or how? Monday is when. When. When was the test? When was the test? So what was your first teacher's name? What was your first teacher's name? Her name was Miss Shea. Okay, once you have studied the material on page 116, you have a page in your workbook to work on to practice this again. Grammar 2. Information questions with do in the present tense. Read them with me, please. So do. So you see does and do. Okay? Who does Maria want to call? She wants to call her sister. Who does Maria want to call? What does he need? What does he need? Notice that when we say does, it sounds like this, does, but it's spelled like this, does or doos. We say it this way though, does. What does? Okay, that's how it sounds. What does he need? He needs a shirt and some shoes. Say it with me. When do you go shopping? When do you go shopping? I go shopping on Saturdays. I go shopping on Saturdays. Where do they go after school? Where do they go after school? They go home after school. They go home after school. Why does she look sad? Why does she look sad? She looks sad. She looks sad because she is lost. She looks sad because she is lost. How does this shirt look? How does this shirt look? It looks nice. It looks nice. Now read each answer and then write the question it responds to in your notebook. So you are writing the question. So look at the example. Here's the example. He comes from Lebanon. Where? Where does he come from? Where does he come from? He comes from Lebanon. What is the question? What? Mr. Gomez's students study English. What do Mr. Gomez's students study? What do Mr. Gomez's students study? Number 3, we get to school at 7:30. When? When do we get to school? When do we get to school? We get to school at 7:30. Who? I see my friend Amelia. Who? Who do you see? So if it's I, the question is you. I see my friend Amelia. Who do you see? I see my friend Amelia. His shoes look cool. His shoes look cool. How do his shoes look? How do his shoes look? How do? And it would be how does if it was one shoe. How does this shoe look? 2 shoes. How do his shoes look? Now that was the present tense. Now the past tense. Did. The past tense of do is did. Just one word. Did. I did, he did, you did, she did, they did, we did. It's always did. To ask about something in the past, use a past tense form of do. When did you eat dinner? Why did she go to the library? So you're going to write a dialogue about your dinner last night in your notebook. In your notebook, complete the questions and write true answers. Then practice the dialogue with a classmate. When did you eat dinner? I ate dinner at 7. Where did you do your homework? Where did you do your homework? I did my homework at the kitchen table. I did my homework in my bedroom. I did my homework on the couch. I did my homework on my bed. I did my homework in the library. Okay. Who did you talk to? Who did you text? Who did you hang out with? What did you watch on TV? Let's do that one. What did you watch on TV? I watched Rio. I watched Sesame Street. Ha 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 ha. What did you watch on TV? When you're done writing your questions, please work in your workbook on Grammar 2, Chapter 10. And please practice saying the questions and the answers.